Hi guys, so today what I'm going to be showing you is how you can create a new folder and also document for our class since we are starting to draft our narratives today. So here's what you need to do to start. You're going to first log into your Office 365 account, and once you're logged into 365, you're going to select OneDrive, okay? What you're going to do is click on that little arrow next to the word New, and you're going to choose the first option which says Folder. You will name your folder ELA6. Okay, I have a lot more folders than you do, I'm sure, but I'm going to click on ELA6. And then I'll be ready to start uploading files or starting new files. So what I'm going to do is click on this plus sign, or actually this little arrow again, and I'm going to click on New Word Document. I'm going to name it Narrative. And then I can start typing. Okay, so obviously you will type something much better than that, but that was just a quick demonstration. The file, I know it's in the right spot because I can see my name and I can see the arrow that shows ELA6. That's where we'll be saving all of our documents for this year. So I just wanted to make sure that you knew where to get started with writing today. If you have questions, of course you can email me, but have a great day.